Thank you for calling. Room service, this is Princess speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Roxanne Jean Rapal and my room number is 123.
Okay, ma'am. I take your order.
There would be vegan salad and iced coffee.
Would you like to try some of our coffee, like creamy latte?
That would be all.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Your bill is for 20 pesos for the payment or bill. It is cash, credit card, or it's a room charge.
No. Cash.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be delivered as soon as possible, maybe in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Princess. I will be your room server for today. And here's your room service order. May I come in? Come in. Excuse me, ma'am. Where would you like me to set up your food? Shall I leave the food on the trolley or set up on your table?
Can you set up my food on the table, please?
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present your bill? I received 1,000 pesos. I'll be back for you.
Oh, no. Just keep the change.
This is Princess. I'm here to pick up your soiled dishes. May I come in?
Come in, please!
Ma'am Roxy, by the way, ma'am, we prepare a party tonight at the ground floor of our hotel at 8 p.m. Would you like to visit?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you for staying in our hotel. Have a nice day.